Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we're going to solve January 2025 question paper of Unit 4. So let's get started. Question number 1. The diagram shows some processes linking photosynthesis to productivity and the distribution of biomass in the trees in a forest. This is box J, K, and L. And photosynthesis is happening in box J. Okay. Biomass distribution shows leaves, wood, and roots. Okay, now let's see the question. Which row of the table identifies the box that represents need primary productivity NPP and the box that represents gross primary productivity and the box that represents respiration R? So make sure So first, we will identify the wrong answers. Okay. Like elimination of wrong answers gives you the right answer. So let's see box J. What is box K? It's transferring. So this is obviously respiration. Like the energy is getting lost. Getting lost by what? Respiration. So the box K is respiration. So the answer is between A and C. So this is obviously GPP because this is the total energy through what some is getting used up by the body and some is getting lost. So box L is the need primary production, this is the gross primary production, and this is the energy lost by respiration. Okay. So the correct answer is G. Box G is GPP. Box K is respiration and box L is NPP. So now let's move on to the next question. Which are suitable units for NPP? The suitable unit for NPP is energy per area per time. Okay, so the correct answer is D. The next question is the biomass distributed to the leaves, wood, and roots of the trees in the forest was 12,500 arbitrary unit. So the question says the biomass was distributed 34% to the leaves. The biomass was distributed 34% to the leaves, 37% to the roots, and the rest to the wood of the trees. To calculate how many units of biomass were distributed to the wood of these trees. So this is a very simple question. Okay, so the question says 34% was distributed to the leaves and 37 was distributed to the roots. So the woods percentage is 100 minus 37 plus 34, which gives us 29%. Okay, so 29% of 12,500, which is equal to 3,625 arbitrary unit. So the answer is 3625. Okay, so this is the end of question C1. Let's move on to the next question. Which row of the table shows what can be found in the biomass of leaves and roots of the tree? So, what can be found in the biomass, like in the mass of leaves and roots of the tree? So, in the leaves, we can find out chlorophyll and starch. Yeah, this is right. Chlorophyll and glycogen is the wrong answer because glycogen is found in animal and not in plants. So, the answer is between A and C. So, let's see what is found in roots. Chlorophyll and protein. No, chlorophyll is not found in roots, it's only found in the leaves. So the correct answer is C. Chlorophyll and starch and protein. So this is the last question of 1D. Forests are examples of ecosystems. State what is meant by the term ecosystem. So what is an ecosystem? Ecosystem is a community of living organisms, like, for example, plants and animals and microorganisms, where they interact with each other and with the non-living things in the environment. Okay, like for example, air, water, soil in a specific area that is known as an ecosystem. Okay, so for one more question, this definition is enough. Now let's see the answer. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms like plants, animals interacting with each other and with a non-living environment like air, water, soil in a specific area. So this is the end of question 1. Thank you.